Teshcon's new version of Chroma QA, version 2.0, includes several enhancements, one of them being Scorecard. With Scorecard, all measurements are given a numeric and color-coded visual performance score for color, delta E, density, delta D, and dot area, delta A, as compared to customer-specified tolerances or industry standards like ISO. The numeric and visually color-coded scores clearly indicate whether the press sheet being measured is in tolerance, close to being out of tolerance, or out of tolerance. The Scorecard feature is fully customizable, so the printer can create a Scorecard performance rating system specific to their customer requirements. Scorecards can be saved individually, so you don't have to configure them at every print job. You can basically open and apply a Scorecard rating table based on the job that's currently being printed.